The recent UFO sightings in Brazil, England, the United States, Chile, and the United Kingdom share common characteristics, including unusual shapes, advanced movement, and the absence of conventional explanations. These events highlight the global nature of the UFO phenomenon and its persistence across different cultures and regions. While some sightings may eventually be explained by natural or man-made phenomena, others remain deeply enigmatic, challenging our understanding of the universe and our place within it. As technology advances and more people document these events, we may come closer to unraveling the mysteries of UFOs. Until then, they remain a source of wonder, speculation, and scientific inquiry. Itacacacituba, São Paulo State, Brazil. 5 red giant flying objects descend from the sky. On September 23, residents of Itacacacituba in São Paulo, Brazil, witnessed a breathtaking and unprecedented event. 5 large, red, glowing objects descended from the sky in 2 distinct groups. The first group consisted of 2 UFOs, while the second group included 3. These objects illuminated the thick cloud cover over the city, creating a surreal and otherworldly scene. The objects were described as massive, far larger than any known drone or conventional aircraft. Their size was comparable to that of nearby buildings, ruling out the possibility of them being small drones or parachutes. The intense light emitted by the objects was unlike anything seen before. Witnesses reported a radiant glow that illuminated the clouds, suggesting a significant energy source. The objects descended in a deliberate and coordinated formation, which is highly unusual for natural phenomena or man-made objects. Their movement was smooth and controlled, defying conventional explanations. One witness described the event as follows: "It's not the first time I've seen these lights. I hope I'm wrong if it's a UFO. Maybe it could be lights generated by spotlights, but the video I've attached shows white light coming from an event not too far away. The first time I saw it, I had not observed an event like this, and it was in another place. Besides, I have heard reports from other people in different countries, with the same characteristics in places that are not urban, like the one I have seen in person. The size, luminosity, and coordinated movement of the objects suggest they were not drones, parachutes, or conventional aircraft. The absence of any known military or civilian operations in the area further complicates the explanation. This event aligns with other historical reports of large, glowing UFOs, often associated with extraterrestrial or advanced technological phenomena. Stockport, Greater Manchester, England. UFO orb lands near grass surface. On September 16, a small, brightly pulsating UFO orb was observed descending from the sky in Stockport, England. The object nearly touched the grass before hovering just above the ground. It exhibited remarkable characteristics, including shape-shifting and color-changing abilities. The object was relatively small but emitted a bright, pulsating light. It changed colors between yellow, orange, green, and light blue, creating a mesmerizing display. The orb hovered near the ground and was followed by the appearance of additional mysterious objects in the sky. The event lasted for an extended period, transitioning from daylight to nighttime. Big round bright UFOs pulsating, you can see great details. About 7 of them. It's a must-see, so please get in touch. Best footage the UK will ever see. The orb's ability to change shape and color, combined with its prolonged presence, suggests it was not a conventional object. The appearance of additional objects in the sky further supports the idea of a coordinated or intelligent phenomenon. This sighting is reminiscent of other UFO orb reports, which often describe similar characteristics. Newfoundland, New Jersey, United States. Silent, wingless object moves rapidly across the sky. On August 15, a silent, wingless object was observed moving rapidly across the sky in Newfoundland, New Jersey. The object's speed and lack of identifiable features made it stand out as a potential UFO. The object appeared solid black to the naked eye, but showed a reflective surface when zoomed in on video footage. It had no wings, lights, or visible propulsion systems. The object moved at incredible speed, covering a great distance in a short time. It made no sound, which is highly unusual for conventional aircraft. Saw this unnatural-looking object moving quickly across the sky in a northwesterly direction. There were no wings, no lights, no sounds. To the naked eye, it appeared to be solid black, but the zoom shots of the video and screenshots appear to show a reflective, upper surface. The object's lack of wings, sound, and conventional propulsion systems suggests it was not an airplane, drone, or helicopter. Its reflective surface and rapid, silent movement align with descriptions of advanced or extraterrestrial technology. Constitution, Chile, triangular UFO passes through the sky. On September 22, a triangular-shaped UFO was observed in Constitution, Chile. The object passed through the sky in broad daylight, reflecting sunlight off its metallic surface. The object had a triangular or crescent shape with a sharp angle of curvature. Its metallic surface reflected sunlight, making it highly visible. The object moved silently and did not resemble any known military or civilian aircraft. Its shape and movement were consistent with other reports of triangular UFOs. A chrome-colored metal object passes over the Quivolgo nursery in Constitution. The shadow is generated in the same direction with respect to the sun as the stationary objects shown in the image. I have more than 300 verified and proven photos of UFO flight paths over Constitution, same altitude, same direction, from north to south. The triangular shape and metallic surface of the object are consistent with other sightings of advanced or extraterrestrial craft. The witnesses' extensive documentation adds credibility to the event. Black Rock City, Nevada, swarm of UFOs in the night sky. During the Burning Man festival on August 31st, a swarm of UFOs was captured on camera in the night sky over Black Rock City, Nevada. The objects appeared at different heights and in various formations. The objects emitted bright lights and moved in coordinated formations. They were captured in long-exposure photographs, confirming their presence as real objects. The objects remained in the sky for an extended period, transitioning from one formation to another. I was at Burning Man. It was around 2 a.m. I was taking long-exposure images with my camera, around 7 seconds each exposure. I had captured several shots with my camera on a tripod, so no shake. The image is stable in all the shots, and can be confirmed by the stationary items in the shots. I didn't see the light until I was reviewing the images the next day. It's a strange blue waveform, moving what looks like right to left across the horizon. The moon and some light poles are in the shot and are in the same place in each of the images, so it's not camera shake. The coordinated movement and formation of the objects suggest intelligent control. The use of long-exposure photography rules out the possibility of camera artifacts or errors. Houghton, Cambridgeshire, United Kingdom. Flying saucer disappears into space. In Houghton, Cambridgeshire, a witness observed a flying saucer-like object that appeared to cross into another dimension. The object exhibited advanced characteristics, including cloaking and rapid acceleration. The object was shiny and reflective, resembling a classic flying saucer. It emitted a faint humming sound and left a plume-like trail. The object moved silently, changed shape and direction, and accelerated at incredible speed before disappearing. The witness, former military personnel, confirmed that the object was unlike anything they had seen before. It was silent. I'm assuming it was made of alloy-type material, as it was so shiny. The sun reflected directly from the object, like a mirror. I am ex-territorial army, so I'm used to seeing objects in the sky from Iraq, Iran, and more. But this is nothing I've seen before. It went slow, then shot into the sky like a piece of lightning, way faster than a bullet. No noise or follow-up trail. Like it went the speed of light and disappeared into space or through another dimension. The object's advanced capabilities, including its ability to disappear and accelerate rapidly, suggest it may represent technology far beyond human understanding. The witness's military background adds credibility to the account.